Thinking about giving your home a makeover? Whether it's a new kitchen, a bathroom upgrade, or adding that dream deck, home renovations can be super exciting, but also costly and time-consuming. But wait! Before you start hammering and painting, there's one thing you don't want to forget: updating your homeowner's insurance policy. Yep, that's right. Home renovations can change the value of your home, and not updating your insurance could leave you exposed to risk. So, why not have peace of mind while you improve your space? First tip: any upgrades or additions to your home can increase its value, which means your current policy might not cover the new stuff. Whether it's a new room, fancy windows, or a complete remodel, make sure your insurance matches your home's updated value. Tip 2. Renovations can expose your home to more risk. Protect your investment during the renovation process by checking your insurance to cover things like accidental damage or theft of materials while you build. Tip 3. If contractors or workers get injured on your property during a renovation, you could be liable. Make sure your insurance has enough liability coverage to protect you from any unexpected accidents. So, before you start your next big project, give yourself some peace of mind. Updating your homeowner's policy is just as important as choosing that perfect paint color. Need help updating your policy? Call Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935, and we'll make sure your home and your renovations are fully covered. Your dream home deserves the best protection.